In recent years, cooking classes have become increasingly popular in not only housewives, but also other adults as well. Due to spending most of time at home, more people are challenging themselves with elaborate and authentic cooking. In particular, online cooking classes, where you can learn to cook while staying at home, have been gaining attention. As the demand for cooking classes increases, so does the burden on the operators. Therefore, the introduction of a reservation system can be an effective measure to alleviate this burden. This time, we will explain the benefits of using a booking system for cooking class operation, using RESERVA, which boasts the largest track record in the industry, as an example. First, let me introduce RESERVA. RESERVA is a SaaS-based reservation management system that proudly has the largest record in Japan with 260,000 registered businesses. It has also been highly praised as a comprehensive reservation system with over 500 government agencies and local governments using it. Users range from individual business owners to listed companies and public institutions. Additionally, RESERVA is available in over 80 countries worldwide. The price ranges from a free plan to advanced plans that offer extensive customization options to suit various needs. You can choose the suitable plan according to the scale and operation of your business. Introducing a reservation system like RESERVA for cooking class operation has the following benefits. The first benefit is the ability to accept reservations automatically 24/7. Since reservations can be accepted automatically even during lessons, there will be no missed reservations or the need to answer reservation calls during lessons. Participants can check availability on the reservation site's calendar, which allows them to confirm their reservation quickly and without difficulty. The second benefit is automatic storage of reservation and customer information. RESERVA automatically stores and manages the information of customers who make reservations or attend classes within the system. This eliminates the manual entry process and reduces the risk of human errors. The third benefit is the efficiency of operations. By introducing a reservation system, you can manage complex reservations in one place, which allows you to focus on your work and reduces psychological burden. With more time allocated to operations, you can conduct even higher quality lessons. The fourth benefit is the ability to create a reservation site for free. With RESERVA, you can create a reservation site for free. The process takes no more than 3 minutes, and both the reservation and management screens are simple and easy to use. Additionally, you can attach the reservation site on your own website or blog and install a reservation button. Next, I'll introduce recommended features of RESERVA for cooking class operation. The first feature is the simple survey function. The simple survey function encourages respondents to answer simple surveys. Since there are no restrictions on the content of the survey, you can set up various questions according to your purpose. In cooking classes, there are many things that need to be confirmed in advance, so having participants fill in the questionnaire during reservation will help avoid troubles. The second feature is the group reservation function. With this feature, the representative can make reservations for multiple people at once. This saves the effort of each participant making a reservation individually, increasing the number of participants and reservations. The third feature is Options menu. With this function, you can add optional settings that can be selected when making a reservation. Since you can check the number of rental equipments such as aprons and cooking utensils in advance, you can lend them out without delay on the day of the event. The fourth feature is the Zoom integration. With RESERVA's Zoom integration feature, you can host online cooking classes. Once the reservation is completed, the participant automatically receives the URL and password, which contributes to streamlining operations. Finally, we'll introduce feedbacks from people who have actually implemented the RESERVA reservation system. I think the noticeable benefit is that reservations can be made outside business hours. Booking process can be carried out anytime, even in the early morning or midnight. Therefore, whenever the customer has a plan to register, reservations will be ready immediately. In fact, there are many cases of late-night bookings or early morning cancellations. Because of this, booking will be surely easier for everyone.
It's really interesting when you can create a beautiful website on your own. You can display variety of attractive images of foods which you prepared by your own heart. You can also adjust the site's layout as your wish. Being installed for free, operators of small classes can also refer RESERVA as an effective solution.
In this video, we introduced RESERVA Reservation System, recommended for cooking class operations. RESERVA offers a smooth registration and site creation process, making it easy to use even for first-time users. Moreover, even the free plan offers many features, and there are additional services tailored to each business. If you are considering introducing a reservation system, please refer to this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about RESERVA system, please come to our channel.